Hi guys, I just wanted to share the results from my FA2 examination. As you can see here on the top, I passed the exam. That's my name, Cornelius Stoute. FA2 74%, which is not bad. I could have done better. There were some things that I know I could have improved on, but overall I'm very happy and satisfied with the results. So that was the result. I really want to tell Mr. Danish Masood and the Vertex Learning Solutions team, thank you very much. I did not use any other resource for my examination other than the platform and the past paper questions that Mr. Masood provided for us every week. That gave me a lot of exposure to do the exam, and I feel much more comfortable. I was not nervous. The exam, it was challenging, but I am satisfied with the result and the outcome. I am now moving on to MA2, and I hope to see you guys over there soon as well. And thanks again to the Vertex Learning Solutions team for the support. This is an excellent platform. This is the first time I've used this platform for an examination, and I passed the exam in my first attempt.